The scariest moment in my ASL career actually happened because of a call to EMS. When I was much younger and I worked in a dorm program at a deaf high school, I was in the middle of a tutoring session one evening when one of our students experienced a mental health crisis. We tried to become involved and to calm her down. There were some wonderful staff members on hand, and we tried to help her to calm down on her own. But it became clear really quickly that she needed more support than we had, and she actually needed to talk to a mental health professional right away. So we made a call to EMS, thinking that what we would get was a helpful medical response. However, when EMS showed up, of course, none of them had even the most basic knowledge of sign language, but worse than that, they had no idea how to handle a deaf person. Their response to seeing a visibly upset young woman crying, screaming, and waving her hands around was to assume she was aggressive and dangerous. Even though we said she wasn't being aggressive at all, she was just signing. They went ahead and restrained her hands and arms. They held them down, which is just like putting your hand over someone's mouth. Of course, she became even more upset and scared, and the situation went crazy. Miscommunication during a crisis situation is so dangerous, and just a few basic signs and some deaf awareness could have changed that entire night.